Madam, what is your sister?
I know my sister anything. What is told me?
You know go talk what is your sister.
You know go talk what is told me? Sando. I go confess. I go talk.
You go talk?
Yes, I go talk.
What is your sister?
Now
Bridget, what are you saying?
Now she do me what? Now she make me I go do what I do. Now she make me go lock her. I go lock her. She don't go say her this thing for any man at all.
Why?
I catch her.
Okay, guys, it's your boy Crazy. I'm crazy but not insane, and it's another day for another crazy wahala to settle. What's popping? Okay, on my right here I'm with Prophet Augustine, and her name is this lady. She has been calling me for weeks. Like she don't write me to how we've been talking. But finally, Augustine says he's led to come and see her, so that's how we came here today. But still on, I will leave her to tell us by herself everything she said before. So man, just tell me what the things say, make you call us, just make you write us.
Okay. I did pass through pains. Eh? Hey. For like 3 months now, I dey feel pain. But I dey feel pain, and I feel say maybe in a period. But the period need they come out, the blood need they come out. I don't find way tired. Sometimes I would like go bathroom, check myself whether blood will fit come out. But still yet, blood need they come out. And I don't go many places. Nowhere where I never go. And my body they even smell like even my sister now they even help me. I don't try, like I don't go many places to make sure to make this body, but still yet the pain is so severe. I don't know.
So you call hospital to hospital?
Hospital, like they are not saying any good thing. At the end of the day, they are not saying anything. So they watch your videos when my friends they even tell me they watch your videos before. And my friends themselves tell me about you. So I said, let me call you, come.
Yeah, you get sister, Abby. Who did you get you for this house?
With my other sister.
Your other sister? Yes, she did.
She go wash my clothes because every time, like...
She did around. Where she go wash clothes? Like, is she around?
No, for the backside. That backside though.
Somebody did this compound since one day, so...
Yes.
Your sister died around?
Yes, she did that backside. They wash my clothes for me.
Call her. What's her name?
Bridget.
Call her now. How you put it? Bridget.
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 It don't happen.
Bridget.
Come to these people now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
The prophet said I call come.
Prophet. From where you come?
And your sister, this Abby.
No, my sister. Now welcome.
Yes, sir.
What did they call you?
Well, we just come to see my brother. Oh, he's a prophet, and we come to more pray together. He started on the call us for weeks. Say her body, she feel menstrual pains, but blood will come outside, and she call. So prophet say, "Okay, come up pray together." And I want to ask you something. I'm going to be very honest with me. I could really need to be honest with me. This way that happened to your sister, you get any idea of what that happened to her?
I want to get idea for what that happened to her. So I say I want complain, more na pray now. I want to get idea. Since when I come to pray now for know whether I dey honest or no dey honest, or I get idea or no get idea. So
as your sister did like this way that happened to your sister now, you know what you do her.
If I know what it is that for they wash her clothes. Even as I say,
now she dey help me. All this way,
I know that I they wash her clothes now. Now what you make una call me?
Everybody don't abandon me. Only she dey
Man,
help
I'm
me.
just relaxed. Man, I dey ask you again, I beg. You know what happened to your sister?
You say you and your prophet God. If na the real prophet man of God, na be real prophet. Then na go do what na supposed to do.
He don't tell me just now. Say, you know what happened to your sister. So I dey ask you to say what's the stress. You know what happened to your sister. You know what happened to your sister.
I don't know what happened to my sister.
Hey, man, for the last time they asked to save us from every stress. You want tell me say you know what happened to your sister?
I don't know what happened to her. Edith, what you tell her what I do you?
She no tell us. This boy right there, I tell you, now you know what happened to your sister.
What did they stone me?
Madam, what did your sister?
I know my sister anything. What did stone me?
You know go talk what did your sister?
You know go talk what did stone me? Sando. I go confess. I go talk.
You go talk?
Yes, I go talk.
What did your sister?
Now she, what are you saying?
Now she do me what? Now she make me I go do what I do. Now she make me go lock her. I go lock her so she don't go say her this thing for any man at all.
Why?
I catch her when she dey sleep with my man. The man will promise me heaven and earth. I catch my own sister. I want to do everything. I catch her. I catch on top of my man.
But you say she talk now live now.
Catch her. If now you no go do. I catch her.
You full of man do something. I be no full of man do something.
My man.
Me and see she knows me, but Bridget,
I
I know go far like
that
this.
day I cry. So after that day I no fit again. I go far.
What you say you do?
I use key, I lock her so that she no man go even come near her again. She go smell. And now where that man dey? Where that man dey? You feel say you go eat your bread and
Come.
I don't cry.
Come.
I don't go lock you. If you get my sleep my man, now you say go get my dinner and all that thing. So before you go first to make a first do. Make a first do all this right now. When they wash my clothes. No, go pretend. Yes, so you know me, they do. I don't know how they do it. You know, we know ourselves, they go. My man. Who does that? Who does that? My own sister. You don't say they give me everything. If they do everything, you want from back now, make you go collect them. For this regime. Oh, God.
Jesus Christ.
Please forgive me. Bridget, please. Bridget.
I don't know where I want to forgive you.